Again.
You're recording now.
It is about -10, -11 degrees outside, with wind chill of -30, -40.
Doesn't he look amazing with the oven mitts?
Red, white, and blue. Oh, sure, lock me up. Oh, there we go.
Christopher's making snow!
I think it's landing its ice.
Or ice, one of the two.
Oh, it's hitting the tree. It sounds, oh, burns.
Did we mention we had to use boiling water? You're supposed to say pew pew! Pew 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 pew!
I was like, I can hit the power line, and then I was thinking, I really shouldn't hit the power line.
That's probably not smart.
Alright, I'm gonna stop burning myself.
Okay, sounds good.